In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can edit columns in Power BI. Suppose we have these columns: location ID, location, time, age group is start, age group is span. Right? This is age group. This is fine. These four columns are fine. But this age group is start and age group is span. I think these two columns are unnecessary, which should be deleted from our query, because age group is start, we already specify here that 0 to 4 is the age group, so there is no need for these two columns. So the easiest way is, if you want to delete some columns, so first of all you have to select the column and then go to the home tab. In home tab, this is the remove columns. Open this arrow, then you can see there are two options: remove columns and remove other columns. What is the difference between these two? First of all, I will show you what is the meaning of remove columns. If you will click on remove column, you will see our age group start has gone, is deleted from our query. If you want that column again, so as I have told you, whatever functions you are going to perform, you can see on the right hand side. So just delete this remove columns. Again, our column age group is start, you can see here. Now we are going to use other options, that is remove other columns. So see, the first one is remove columns. First you have to highlight the column and it will be deleted from our query. Second is remove other columns. As I have selected only this column, when I will click on remove other columns, all the other columns will be deleted from our query. Only the column which is highlighted is there. But this I do not want, right? So what you have to do, just delete this from your right hand side. Again, you can see your all columns are here. So this is the difference between remove columns and remove other columns, right? Okay, now again you have to select this. I will show you one more thing. Choose column. Suppose we are here, right? Here in this table or in this query we have only 6 or 7 columns. That is fine, we can see very easily. But if we have 100 columns, then it will be difficult to find out which one we have to delete it. So in this case, you have to open choose columns arrow, and again you can see there are two options: go to column, choose columns. So I will explain to you what is the difference between these two. First of all, go to column. When you will click on go to column, you will see all the names of the columns will come up here. Which one you have to delete? Suppose if I will say age group start, click here, but still you will see the column will be there, but the system will highlight for you. Click here, you will see go to column means this column will be highlighted. Same thing you can do 2 column or 3 column on the same way. But if you will do select the first option, choose columns, so click here, then you will see again all the names are here. But in this case, suppose if we want to delete this, if we want to delete this, the system will delete from choose column. Whatever column you will deselect, it will be deleted from the system. But go to column will take you on the column, and again you have to perform the operation to delete it. So when I will click here, you will see both of these columns are deleted from our system. If you want these columns back, so click here, remove this, then you can have, but we do not want, right? So we have learned what is the difference between remove columns, remove other columns, choose columns, and go to columns. Now you have to practice it. But one more thing, that these names are not appropriate, so we should change the name. In order to change the name of the columns, there are 2 or 3 other options. First is just double click here. I am going to make it country ID instead of location ID. Second is come here and then go to the column and right click, and then you will see rename. Click on rename, and here I am going to make the column name country, because these are countries, not the location. Time, this is not time, actually this is the year, so you have to double click, make it year. Age group is fine, but we will make it more clear, make it age, and then we can write down group. Similarly, population, male population, right click, rename, we will make it population male, and this one is population female, so we will make it population female. And the last one is, we will make it more clear if someone will see our work, so it will be easy to understand. It will be population total. Now our query looks little better because we have the column names and we have removed the unnecessary columns from our query. But in age group, you can see the span is 0 to 4. Here is 15 to 19, but here you can see 09 to, instead of 5, the system has picked May, month May. It starts from May, and this October, instead of 10, it is using October. How we can work on it, we will see in the next lesson. Meanwhile, please practice it. Subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.